What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bino99, and today I got another unboxing for you guys. As you can see, yeah, I got another unboxing for y'all. This is gonna be a quick video, so nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy about it. But let's look inside this box, aka this mystery box, and let's just go from there. All right, purple SB box. Okay, another one. Wow, we got a purple SB box, as y'all can see right here. Look how that light is shining on the box. Y'all notice that? Like, that's just crazy, man. But let's look inside. All right, we got the wrap. No way. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. We got them. We got the Supreme Dunks. Bruh, this is crazy. Yo, thank you for sending me this, for real. Thank y'all for sending me this. Now, man, these are hella amazing. As y'all notice, that this is animal like. Well, it kind of reminds me of animal skin purses or coats and whatever. But they put this reptilian like tumble leather around the shoe. They also imprinted stars around it, and they also got that little emblem where it says Supreme. Look at that. But y'all notice how this is almost remind me of crocodile skin tumble leather. Like, yes, you can use crocodile skin to put on a shoe as a tumble leather part, but I think they just plaster in or imprinted it, I don't know. And we got that glistening gold Nike tongue on that, and also on the back as well too. It was just threaded, but you get what I'm saying. And then inside we got, it says Supreme, and on the other side as well it says Sup. See what I mean? Sup. Supreme. All right. And it also comes with a Supreme tag too, where it says World Famous. Now, these shoes there's 4 different versions of them. There's the black one, there's the brown one, there's the blue one, and as you can see right here, I got the green one. So, for me, I'm a big fan of green, but in this case, I felt like they could have made the shoelaces partially green and black just to be more creative with it, not too basic, if you get what I'm saying. The shoe is really, overall the shoe is good. I'm not bashing the shoe that the plug sent me, but this shoe is overall good. It smells good. Well, you see, I broke the streak right there. Damn, I smell the shoe. But other than that, this shoe is really a keeper to have, because you're not gonna get any type of Supreme Dunks. Like, for all I know, they have the high top version of this. Well, they only made 2 of them. I just know that there's a red, orange, and blue one, but I don't know if there's a green high top. So I'm unaware for myself, I meant to say. But other than that, I give this shoe a 9 out of 10 because I saw Cola review his, the high top orange one, and it's practically the same thing. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for this pair. And don't forget, the bottom is green as well, as y'all can see. It got the stars as well, right there. Like I mentioned earlier, got the stars. Everything's on cue with this shoe. Nothing seems to be all, yeah. But I like the stars too. It kind of reminds me of the Star Spangled Banner for the US flag. So that's one interesting thing about it. But yeah, how y'all feel about these? Would y'all rock them to a club, or will y'all just take them out for town and then just get quick pics in them? You know, just some hype beast style. I'm not saying I'm a hype. It's your preference. You can do anything you want to do. I don't care. But let me know how y'all feel about these. Okay? But now, why don't we get to this on foot review? Let's go.